end this foolishness.
I couldn't agree more.
Take this!
David, I want you to go back to Oz and tell everyone I did this for them.
Tinny, it was a noble effort, but you didn't get hit.
I didn't? Oh, well, that was a mercy. If you guys can get me over here.
With the pretend slow motion.
I thought I had a cruel effect.
Oh,
Come on. Isn't that move reserved for the man with the big S on his chest?
sorry, Sinalot, but God is with me. Take this.
Minions, get him!
Everybody relax. I got this. As do I. On the count of 3. 1, 2, hands away!
Well, at least I can tell it, Wolfie!
Trust me. I know how this thing works.
Don't just lie there, you fool!
Get up and get them! Stand back, everyone. I got this.
No, look here, there's too many!
On guard. Oh, how I love some foolish heroic.
Get her!
That's what I call a knockout blow. Oh, man.
All right. Didn't want to have to resort to this and leave me no choice.
Wait a minute. She's a chick, too! Well, chalk it up to girl power!
I'm sure that's
David, you were sent here because I am your mother.
How could this be?
It doesn't matter. The point is that I am your mother, and you need to give me the armor because mother knows best.
Oh, great. Now we have to have the little songbirds show up.
Your reign of evil is over, Sinalot.
Not quite, Angelina. You see, my son and I will not only rule Neveragain, we will also take over the universe. Mwahaha!